Well, there is a third approach to using trigonometric substitution. That is to say, if I have an integrand that involves somewhere along the way the sum of these two squares, then here's going to be my appropriate choice for a substitution. Yet again, let me illustrate that in an example. Okay, I don't have one. Shoot. But something like this. Certainly in the radicand's position, there is a sum of two squares. So allow me. I will commit to this substitution. I will pay the consequence of my actions. I will now commit to that substitution. So may I commit to some Harry Potter mathematics? 5 pulls out partially, 5 pulls out completely, cancels. Second Pythagorean identity, rewrite. Again, if you look at the appropriate restrictions, I can suppress absolute values. But look how beautiful that is. Looks to me like one of my factors of secant here and here are going to cancel. And allow me to massage. So maybe it's not completely clear what to do next, but if all else fails, I should say, let's you and I dive in and rewrite everything in terms of our basic building blocks. That is to say, sines and cosines. And clean up. So notice how I can commit to allowing u to be equal to sine or cosine theta. And I think once I clean up a little bit with a tad bit of cancellation, you'll see what to do next. So removing one factor of the cosine of theta in the numerator and in the denominator, notice if I shave off one factor of the cosine of theta, given that there's now an even number of factors cosine of theta upstairs, I can convert them into an expression involving sine of theta. Now, committing to that substitution, it's going to leave you with a rational expression here. It's a one-term denominator, so you can take a mathematical ax right here, split this up into two fractions, convert each of those two terms into terms that are power expressions, and you can anti-differentiate term by term using the power rule. Back substitute once, back substitute twice. You've seen me do this twice already, so hopefully that's sufficient.